The face-away Bayesian cable curl is a great exercise for targeting the long head of the biceps and the biceps peak. Facing away from the cable machine creates excellent tension on the biceps throughout the full range of motion and provides a great stretch on the long head due to the arm positioning behind the torso. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach D-handle grips to both sides of the cable machine with the pulleys adjusted to hand height. Stand with your back to the cable machine, then grab the D-handles with an underhand palms facing up grip. Step forward a few feet from the machine to ensure tension is tight on the cables throughout the full range of motion. Engage your core and stagger your stance by stepping 1 foot forward and 1 foot back for added stability. Keep your arms and elbows extended slightly behind your body so you feel a good stretch in the biceps. Begin by bending your elbows to curl the handles toward your shoulders. Avoid letting your elbows drift forward to maintain tension on the biceps by keeping them fixed and back behind your body. At the top of the curl, squeeze your biceps hard to maximize the peak contraction. Keep the motion controlled to avoid any swinging or jerking movements. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position to fully lengthen your biceps to get a good stretch. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.